fixing a cracked PVC sprinkler pipe today. I noticed a puddle on the sidewalk and water bubbling from the grass. So after digging up the area, I discovered the cracked pipe next to a T-fitting that was capped years ago. The crack seems to be below the pipe and going into the fitting. After clearing the dirt and digging around a foot on each side of the damaged pipe to be replaced, I gathered all the material and tools needed. I had some spare 1/2 inch pipe and 2 1/2 inch connectors. Using a PVC hacksaw, I cut around 12 inches from the cracked area. You will understand why when we reconnect it. There's the cracked pipe. Next, we clean each end of the cut pipes and sand it. We brush primer on the pipes and both sides of the connectors. We do the same to one end of the new piece of pipe and cement one of the 2 connectors to one end only for now. Then cement the other end to one side of the underground pipe. Now, using a PVC pipe cutter this time, we cut the new pipe 1/8 of an inch shorter of the pipe end we are connecting it to. This is to clear the space that's inside the connector. Now we prime the cut end and apply cement to the second and last connector and 2 ends of the pipe. Now quickly insert one end of the connector to pipe and gently lift and bow each pipe upwards to be able to insert the other end. This last part is a little tricky, but this is the reason we dug around 2 feet on each side of the length of the underground pipe. So there's plenty of room to lift and bow the pipe to insert in the last fitting. After 10 to 15 minutes, turn on the sprinkler pump and check for leaks. Then you can refill the hole and put back the sod you saved on top of the dirt. And you have now completed the repair. For parts and tools needed for this repair, see the links below in the description. Hope this helps someone out there, and you all have a great day.